One common question is, what is the difference between con mucho gusto and mucho gusto? Well, the difference is pretty simple. Con, just with this preposition, we say you are welcome. It's very nice to say you are welcome because it's like with my pleasure. Y mucho gusto is just nice to meet you. It's a very informal way to say nice to meet you. Because usually you find online other things like encantado conocerte. No, that's incredible polite. So just for real life situations, say mucho gusto. Let's see these two phrases in context. Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, pasa. Hola.
Hola.
Te presento a mi amiga Mariana. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
¿Quieres una cervecita?
Sí, gracias. Muchas gracias.
Con mucho gusto. Salud.
Salud.
Would you like to study Spanish with me? I teach online and one-to-one in Medellin, Colombia. Contact me. All details are on the description. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to activate the notifications so that you know when there is a new video.